Hi guys, let's make Nigerian yummy stew. Okay, this is my fresh tomato. Guys, this tomato you are seeing is 1,500 naira. Then this is my tin tomato. I'm going to use two long and one medium. Okay, this is the tomato after bringing it out from the tin. This is the fresh tomato. I dried the water. This is my chicken, the chicken that I'm going to use in cooking this stew. Okay, I finished washing it, then put it into my pot, then put start seasoning it, salt, maggi, jima, and name them. So it's to make delicious food, cook, we try when do, as in let's make yummy food. It's to make delicious food, cook, we try when do, as in let's make yummy food. I'm about to cry on the pain hot now. I check it in the seat, gonna stop shine. Take it out of feel, I'ma save my soul. I take it out of come to late my bars. But now the cry on the pain hot now. You're stealing my money as top shot. Can we ride it and credit? Stop so wait on mine. I'm trying to take you right, trust me. Let's make yummy food. It's to make delicious food. Cook, we try when do. Let's make yummy food. I don't wanna be a hot. Guys, some people say that they don't like crayfish in their stew. Guy, I they like and well. I've added the meat stock, the meat water. So this is it. Then add my salt. Salt. Then two no maggi. I've added one in the meat while cooking the meat, so I add two now. Param pam param pam. Guys, you need to, if you are here, the aroma of this sugar you go make you one swallow person. Hey, so I add another salt, to make sure it bring out the taste, the yummy taste. Auntie yummy is here again. Auntie yummy is here again. Okay. Please don't stop. Just watch what I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing. So I add my chicken, my chicken. So cover, come again. Then add my ugu leaf. This is pumpkin leaf, ugu leaf. Then dance more to wait for my for it to done. Done. I don't off gas. The aroma no be here. So guys, this is how I made my Nigerian yummy delicious stew. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Bye. Okay, I'm going to remove the one I'll put inside fridge. Okay, this is it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye. I love you.